Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Boogie here, bringing you another sneaker unboxing. I'm going to do something a little different. The good people over at Reebok sent me a nice pair of kicks to check out and to try on and stuff. Shout out to them. I really like these. These are a classic that have been altered a little bit in their own unique way. I do get vibes from like another designer and brand when I look at these, so I will mention that when we unbox the shoe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so at that 1K so I probably will do a giveaway. So in the meantime, stay tuned and stay for the next clip. Okay, so I was blessed with this box here, and as you can see, bright as day, it reads Reebok Classic. I can't talk today, with the Reebok's logo. It's a nice, simple, plain box. There was a note. The note reads, Boogie, alter the icons. Reebok Classics reimagines our most iconic product in a collaborative celebration of those who dare to alter their own path. Share your icon and tag hashtag alter the icons Reebok Classics Foot Locker. There you have it, and my name is up top. So shout out to Reebok Classic for sending these over. And yeah, so we're gonna open it, and there you have it. Pretty nice, clean, simple setup. This is one of my first shoes that a brand has sent to me. So brands out there, or even clothing brands, if you want to send me anything, I have all my info in the description below, from my size of clothes, size shoes, and where to contact me and stuff. So it reads on the inside, Classics bring Reebok's deep heritage as the most authentic fitness brand to life through iconic models and contemporary styles. These are the Reebok Classics Workout Plus Alter, I'm pretty sure is the name, and it's just giving me kind of like this off-white kind of vibe to it, with exposed parts of the shoe and all the branding across of it and stuff like that. But I simply like this colorway. I don't really have anything that's white and navy blue with green, but I think that the gum sole really just sets this white shoe apart. So you got that gum sole with the Reebok's logo on the bottom. It does says concept sample 002 down here on the midsole, which is blue with a little bit of white. You have your cage that is clear on the side that also says Reebok, if you can see that. Some perforations on the side, obviously, and then you got the blue underneath it and like this mesh material with the green Reebok print. The upper is completely leather besides the cage. You got your 1987 tag, which is probably when the first Reebok was ever created. And then you also have a navy blue toe box that is leather as well. Green sock liner. You do have your Reebok's tag, and I'm pretty sure this tag is reversed compared to most Reeboks, because if you look on the back side, it just has Reeboks with the logo. So I think they flipped the tongue on what it says reverse, so that's pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. I mean, the insole says alter the icons. But other than that, pretty much it. You got a funky little sole here. You got your Reebok's logo in the back, but there's nothing else too crazy about these. Like I said, shout out to the good people at Reebok for sending these over. I will probably have these on feet sometime soon. So if you follow me on Instagram at BoogieKazam or Twitter at BoogieKazam, you'll probably see a photo of these on feet. Let me know what you guys think about these below. Please comment, rate, subscribe, like, and share. Let me know if you have a pair of these Reeboks. Have you been digging the Reeboks that have been coming back this year? Because they have had a good push, especially during summer. And let me know what you think about these colorways. There are other colorways you can check out, so go to Reebok.com or even go to footlocker.com and check those out as well. And thank you guys for watching.